So previously we saw how to gather information using advanced Google hacking techniques, but now we will see how we can gather information from video search engines like YouTube. So video search engines are, internet-based search engines that crawl the web looking for video content. So these search engines either provide the functionality of uploading and hosting the video content on their own web servers, or they can parse the video content which is hosted externally. So here we will perform an advanced video search and reverse image search using the YouTube search engine and YouTube metadata tool. Please note that here we will consider EC Council as a target organization, and however you can select the target organization of your choice. So please make sure that you have open your YouTube account, or maybe only just YouTube. I didn't logged in, or I didn't sign in. So you can choose your web browser, but only the thing is you can just select your own web browser, and you can select your own the target organization as well. So let's consider if just simply we will search EC Council. So this is a simple search. Right? And you can choose your any video, and you can just right click and you can copy the link. So you can just open in a new tab and you can open mattw.io/YouTube metadata, and you can hit enter. So it will open the web page or website, and here you can paste your link and you can submit. So exactly you will get the accepted formats, that what kind of video ID is, what is a short ID, well, what is video ID for YouTube.b, right? So playlist ID and everything. So this after the video link will be copied, you can open this particular website and you can just paste it your link, whatever it is. So the YouTube metadata tools collects singular details of a video and its uploader, playlist, and its creator or channel. So YouTube metadata page will appear and you can just have all the details. You can also export and you can also share this particular details. You can have a look into that part. Everything which is important, every detail, every single detail is available here. And what you can do with the thumbnail, you can just go through the thumbnail option and you can find the reverse image search results. You can click on the click to reverse image search, right? So I'll just click on a new tab. So after new tab in the Google will appear and the result of the reverse image search will be displayed. And this will concludes the demonstration of gathering information from the advanced video search and reverse image search using the YouTube search engine and YouTube metadata tool. Now you can also gather the information from the FTP search engines. As of now, I'm just closing this. So basically, file transfer protocol, I hope you guys are aware about it. If you are not, then yes, you should go ahead, because FTP search engines, or you can say file transfer protocol search engines, are used to search for file located on the servers. This file may hold valuable information about the target organization. Many industries, institutions, companies, and universities use FTP servers to keep large file archive, or you can say, and other softwares that are shared among their employees. right? So FTP search engines provide information about the critical files and directories, including valuable information such as business strategies, tax documents, employees' personal records, financial records, licensed software, and other confidential information as well. So you can just go through on your web browser, you can just go through search ftps.net. You can just go through this particular website and you can hit enter. You will get the website like this. So in the search field of this particular website, you can type Microsoft. Let's consider Microsoft is our target audience or target organization. So I have typed Microsoft and hit enter. Then now you will get the search results containing critical files and documents related to the target organization as shown in your screen. And this will conclude the demonstration of gathering information from the FTP search engines. So yeah, now you can also use the FTP search engines such as freeware web, FTP file search, then to gather crucial FTP information about the target organization as well. So now you can see that a lot of files you can download. You can see that there are a lot of files, the RPM, Debian based, or maybe the target, or you can say this is all about the zip file, right? So there are a lot of files which you can just visit there, and you can also download that file. Apart from this, you can also gather the information about, or you can say gather information from IoT search engine, because IoT search engines crawl the internet from IoT devices that are publicly accessible, and these search engines provide crucial information including control of SCADA, that is supervisory control and data acquisition systems, traffic control systems, internet connected household appliances, industrial appliances, CCTV cameras, and so on. So here we will search for the information about any vulnerable IoT devices in the target organization using the Shodan IoT search engine. So if you are not aware, yes, you can just type Shodan, or you can say Shodan. Shodan.io. Yeah, so there we go. So this is a Shodan search engine where you can search the IoT devices. And in the search bar, you can type Amazon because we know that there are a lot of devices like Alexa devices and all. So yep, we should have Amazon. So I will just click on search. We'll type Amazon and click on search. Here we are searching for publicly available information on the target Amazon. So however, you can search on the target of your choice. So now you will obtain the search results with the details of all the vulnerable IoT devices related to the Amazon in various countries as shown on your screen right now. So this will conclude the demonstration of gathering vulnerable IoT information using the Shodan search engine. So you can also use, Senses. I think so. It should be there. Senses. Let me just show you. I hope it's there. I'm not sure, but I've just forgot. Yeah, this one. Senses search. This is again IoT search engine to gather information such as manufacturer details, geographical location, IP address, host name, open ports, etc. Right? So you can search a lot of things. So this is how we can search or we can gather information using advanced Google hacking techniques. How we can gather information from video search engines, FTP search engines, and IoT search engine as well.